In this video, I will show how to crop a screenshot in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Method will work in both. So firstly, press Shift Windows key and S. Now here you can take the screenshot as you need. This is the first way. It will automatically crop your video, your image, and still you need crop. So open File Explorer and Pictures, Screenshots, and select this your screenshot and open it. And now click on these three dots and here click on this edit button and here you will see option for crop. So just crop it as your requirement like this. So it's a simple and easy way to crop any type of image in Windows 10 or Windows 11 rather than it's from screenshot or your uploaded image. Select the area which you want to keep in your. Then here is the option you can save as copy or you can save this cropped copy. Just press Shift Windows key and S and hold. Here are options you can take screenshot. So and freeform and window mode, and this is the full screen mode. So take full screen or as your requirement. File Explorer and Picture and open it. Now edit the picture by clicking this edit image icon and crop it. And save it. So thanks for watching.